The second accessory that we will be adding to our 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000 Megatron, as we call it, is a set of side mirrors from Maverick Advantage. There you have it. 2 side mirrors, mounting hardware, stickers, and clear instructions. Let's get them on. It looks like there are several ways that these can be mounted up, and I'll show you the way that I've chosen to do it. Once the mirrors are installed, and you need to adjust them for tightness here, because this movement can all be adjusted, how stiff it is. So you'll want to hop in, get it set right where you want it, from your seated position, and then use a 10mm socket, righty-tighty, loosey-lefty, snug it up a little bit, test it. It needs to be a little bit stiffer because when you're driving into the wind and you hit bumps and things, it'll move if it's not stiff enough. That ought to do just fine for now. We'll give that a try, and if that's not quite tight enough to hold, I'll snug it up some more. That's great. The instructions call for the bracket to be mounted up in a different way. Here, inverted and coming back this direction. That would make it compatible with a Polaris door, but I do not intend to use a Polaris door, so I mounted it differently and it worked perfectly. I'll give you another up close of how I mounted those. I've got 4 spacers in there to mount it up this way. Alrighty folks, the job is complete. The side mirrors are installed, and here's what you see from the driver's seat. They're perfect. I love them. I used these same Maverick Advantage side mirrors on my Honda Pioneer 500 for a year and a half, and I loved them. So I elected to use them again on this machine, and I'm sure they'll be just as great.